helping you find your happiness. Mood boosting, snacks that can elevate your happiness. Today, we're munching our way into the delicious world of mood boosting snacks. That's right, we're talking about tasty treats that not only satisfy your cravings, but also give your mood a little lift. So, if you've ever found yourself reaching for a snack when you're feeling down, stick around. We've got some healthy options that might just become your new go-to mood elevators. Let's kick things off with a classic, trail mix. Now, I'm not talking about that sugary, chocolate-laden stuff you find in the candy aisle. I'm talking about a nutrient-packed powerhouse that's easy to make at home. Start with a mixture of healthy nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, which have been linked to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression. Add some pumpkin seeds for a zinc boost. Low zinc levels have been associated with anxiety and depression. Then throw in some dried fruits like goji berries or blueberries for antioxidants and a touch of natural sweetness. But hold on to your taste buds, because we're just getting started. Coming up, we'll explore how a simple fruit and nut butter combo could be the key to turning your frown upside down. Plus, we'll reveal the secret ingredient in Greek yogurt that might just make it a mood-boosting superstar. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, let's talk about the magic of pairing fruit with nut butter. This combo is not only delicious, but also packs a serious mood-boosting punch. Take an apple, for instance. Slice it up and pair it with a tablespoon of almond butter. The complex carbohydrates in the apple provide a steady release of energy, helping to stabilize your blood sugar and mood. Meanwhile, the protein and healthy fats in the almond butter keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, almonds are a good source of vitamin E, which some studies suggest may help reduce symptoms of depression. But don't stop at apples. Bananas are another great option. They're rich in vitamin B6, which helps produce serotonin, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter. Spread some peanut butter on banana slices for a snack that's mood-enhancing. The tryptophan in peanuts can also help boost serotonin levels. Let's move on to our final mood-boosting snack, Greek yogurt. This rich, creamy delight is more than a delicious treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly impact your mood. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which helps keep you feeling full and stabilizes blood sugar levels. But here's the real kicker. It's also an excellent source of probiotics. You might be wondering, what do gut bacteria have to do with my mood? Well, quite a lot actually. There's a growing body of research suggesting a strong link between gut health and emotional well-being. Some scientists even refer to the gut as our second brain because of the close connection. Probiotics, like those found in Greek yogurt, can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which in turn may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. To make your Greek yogurt even more of a mood booster, try topping it with some fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Berries are rich in antioxidants and can play an important role to help reduce inflammation in your body. Some studies suggest that chronic inflammation may play a role in the development of depression. As for honey, its natural sweetness can stimulate the release of serotonin in the brain. Check out our video about natural sweeteners and mood for more information about the mood-boosting benefits of natural sweeteners. The link is in the comments below. Now, I know what you might be thinking. These snacks sound delicious, but can they really help make a difference? While it's true that no single food is a magic cure-all for a low mood, incorporating these nutrient-rich snacks into a balanced it can certainly help. Remember, food is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to emotional health. Regular exercise, good sleep habits, and stress management techniques are all important factors too. That being said, paying attention to what you eat can be a simple and enjoyable way to support your emotional health. Next time you're feeling a bit down, why not reach for one of these mood-boosting snacks instead of that bag of chips or candy bar? Your taste buds and your mood might thank you for it. Let's wrap up. Here's a quick recap of our mood-boosting snacks. 1. Homemade trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. 2. Fruit, like apples or bananas, with nut butter. 3. Greek yogurt with berries and honey. Remember, the key is to choose whole, nutrient-dense foods that provide a balance of complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. These nutrients work together to keep your energy levels stable and provide your brain with the building blocks it needs to function at its best. So there you have it, a guide to snacking your way to a better mood. Give these options a try and see how they make you feel. And hey, if nothing else, you'll have enjoyed some delicious healthy snacks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends so we can bring you more ideas. For more videos like this to help elevate your happiness, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified of our next post. Thanks for watching.